Hey there, everyone. Within your centers of influence, within your neighborhoods, your social platforms, your friends, your family, how many of us truly know what each other does for a living and how we support our families? That's the question of the day. You could actually make a real impact within your own ecosystem, I've found. Well, my name's Aaron Cash. I've been a mortgage officer for the last 20 years in the industry here. Started off as a banker a long time ago. What I love about mortgage lending is that it truly does make such a huge impact into generational wealth. Heck, I rented for about 7 years myself, and I just encourage anybody that's out there renting right now to just try to seek a mortgage advisor and see how we can help you get into a home. I wasted $114,000 over those years that I could have put towards my next house. When it comes to generational wealth, we owned our first house for 9 years, and instead of putting money in the back of somebody else's pocketbook like a landlord, we were making payments towards our own debt, mixed with the house appreciation over that 9 year time period. When we went to sell the house, that difference between value and how much I owed really did help us put down money into a bigger house when we had another child. So that's why I do what I do. I love mortgage lending because it truly does help make a difference in people's lives. So typically when you see my videos out there, that's me just trying to bring good education and bring things to the surface that just need to be brought to the surface. There's a lot of myths out there, like, do you need 20%? I can't believe that's still a myth. You don't, by the way. For those of you who know me, and ones I've yet to meet, the number one reason people do business with who they do business with is by referral. It's not by something that they just saw on the internet. It is always by word of mouth. So, saying that, if you hear anybody sneezing the word home out there, if they're looking to do debt consolidation, buy their next home, heck, if they're trying to sell their home right now and they're looking for strategy, I'd love to talk to them. So just 2 years ago, there was 180,000 mortgage bankers out there that worked for IMBs, independent mortgage banks. These are not the ones that work for directly like a bank or a credit union. These are your guys that you see out there that are independent. Today, there's less than 55,000. So with only 55,000 of us out there, we're probably the ones that are really in it for the long haul to really help serve our communities and serve our real estate partners out there. So here's my ask. If you're out there in your centers of influence, your social platforms, heck, even your work, and you hear anybody sneeze the word home, whether it be for debt consolidation, my credit card payments are too high, I'm looking to sell my home and want some strategy help, I'm looking to buy my next home, investment properties, or even vacation second homes, please, I would ask you to forward my information right over to them. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really do look forward to helping your friends and family and making an impact in our communities, helping people create generational wealth. Thanks for your time.